Put your hands in his shirt.
I know what he gonna say. I know the asshole. The asshole.
Hey, I just messed up stuff too. I guess we is related. I'll let you have it. Watch it. Go sideways with it.
I'm gonna just have to do that. Take my time. You know, it's gonna go off anyway.
Well, you know the bottom probably spinning like
It's
this
not.
now. It's not.
No, my hands on it. Reason why? Because I got this big nut here. You know what I mean? So